Everyone knows about the impact of Tesla on the transportation industry. However, it is unlikely that you have already heard about Elon Musk and Tesla, who are trying to revolutionize practically all parts of our daily lives. Elon Musk wants to make sure that our blue planet does not turn into a burning ruin by installing electric cars in each garage and solar panel roofs in each house. But wait, there's more. Tesla now offers more than just solar roofs and electric cars. Since its creation in 2003, Tesla has been dedicated to developing goods and services that promote a healthy and environmentally friendly way of life. Therefore, there is no surprise that they have built a friendly house in the environment for the general public. And with this agreement, you can become an owner without worrying about mortgage payments. What do we know about Tesla's ecological home and how are you going to get one? Tesla's new small house for a sustainable life is the most recent project that Elon Musk has undertaken and completed. Elon Musk has his fingers on every sustainable thing, which makes us think that there is something more that he has not done yet. In addition to his involvement in everyday life, he is very active in this great space race. Elon Musk lives in a tiny house recently revealed to be full of all the cutting-edge technology you would expect in a totally sustainable environment. In fact, Elon Musk owns one of these small houses that cost less than half the Model 3. Elon Musk made an announcement in response to the new tiny and sustainable house. He declared his intention to sell his house on June 14, 2021. He previously declared that his main residence is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica. He rents this $50,000 residence in SpaceX as a kind of starbase. Elon Musk has a good relationship of work with the media and its detractors. His wealth has been questioned, as well as his decision to sell all his mansions. Elon Musk's follower who indicated these things was also the one who revealed that Musk now lives in a casita boxable. The boxable casita is a prefabricated house of $50,000 that has not yet entered the main market, but its creators are hopeful that it will soon help to alleviate the lack of housing. What or who exactly is the Boxable? Paolo Tiramani is the CEO of Boxable. The company announced on YouTube in November 2021 that it had recently built a casita in Boca Chica for a high-profile and ultra-secret client. Although no one has been named in the video, Boca Chica was a very quiet place, and very quiet before the arrival of Elon Musk and SpaceX. So it didn't take long until it was known that the Elon Musk Box Bowl casita in Boca Chica had been delivered. Co-founder of the Box Bowl, Giuliano Tiramani, says that there are several reasons why the home still didn't work in manufacturing, but they passed and fixed all of them. He believes that the owners of prefabricated houses are also going through the same logistical issues. He continued by saying that the intention is to reach auxiliary housing units, which are becoming more common in California. Before we continue, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to know the next invention that will better your lifestyle. Boxyball chose to create the brand in 2017 as a result of this spark. The goal is to transform the construction of buildings into a line of factory assembly around the world. You can order an online house, transport it to your location and have it installed in an hour or more. Unpacking the house may require the use of technology for some operations. Although humans are more than capable of doing most of the unpacking tasks. The floor is revealed when the outer wall is unfolded, revealing the two side walls. The entire enterprise is now protected thanks to the folding of the roof. Boxable, which I quote, is a studio residence for 1 or 2 people packed in a cardboard box. It is made with sustainability and energy efficiency in mind. You will discover a kitchen, bathroom, living room, bedroom, and media room in this temporary house. Heating and refrigeration, part of putting clothes in the boot, washing machine, and drying, all included. It uses energy-saving technology to keep monthly expenses with public services to a minimum. For years, Boxball worked on prototypes to ensure that the materials used in the houses do not deteriorate. Concrete, steel, and EPS foam are used to build a Boxball house. Laminate panels are used for walls, floors, and roofs, making them cool for use on highways. Costs $49,500 for a Boxable house, but the monthly payment is $250. In this time of scarcity of houses, Boxable houses have become more and more popular. The most important element is time. The cost and efficiency of the work of the houses built in the factory, about 50,000 people, will put their names on a waiting list for a Boxable house from now on. It's not because Elon Musk's followers want to live like him that there is such a long waiting list. More than 40,000 people signed up for the waitlist for Boxable before Tesla CEO Elon Musk joined the club. Boxable can create a house in 7 months on average, according to its data. To develop larger structures according to Boxable, the buildings can be connected or stacked to build larger structures. More time can be necessary if you want a larger prefabricated structure. Tiramoni claims that Elon Musk's interest in the brand increased the interest of a wider population. Another thing that Boxable plans to do in the future is to develop larger units. According to Boxable, foldable homes are critical to maximizing transport efficiency. As these modular houses are 14 feet wide, they must be transported on the highway in guided trucks with a large load signal. Boxable's foldable houses are 8 feet wide, not needing additional help from users and lowering the costs of transportation to any area of the country. In some states, delivery is free, but if you live in a remote place, you must wait to pay more. Delivery and unpacking are included in the $50,000 price tag on this item. Taxes and permissions may be necessary. Tiramani believes that a technologically oriented solution, such as Boxable houses, can help alleviate the housing crisis. In the coming weeks, the company will make its first request together with the Department of Defense. There are 156 houses in the order of request. Boxball aspires to expand its business and build more residences in the future. If you're wondering why Elon Musk is selling all his other properties in favor of a Boxball house, well, it seems that he's trying to reduce his carbon footprint to the maximum. Elon Musk doesn't own boats or multi-billion-dollar houses, and he's been trying to live like this for years. Elon Musk's decision to reduce the size of his mansions to a smaller and more sustainable residence is not a surprise, since he has long declared his intention to do this. However, the tech magnate does not regret having bought a house that costs less than a Tesla Model S Plaid, according to the information we were able to gather. Willem tweeted, "Yes, I sell my properties, except one in Bay Area, which is rented for events. With Tesla and SpaceX, we are working to ensure the future of humanity, bringing life to other planets. In addition, Neuralink will help reduce the risks associated with artificial intelligence, while boring will help with traffic congestion." For now, Elon Musk has suspended Bitcoin payments to Tesla vehicles due to concerns about the company's environmental impact. Bitcoin mining requires a lot of computing power, and these computers use a lot of electricity generated by the burning of fossil fuels. According to Elon Musk, accepting Bitcoin payments does not promote exactly the central values of Tesla's sustainability. In order to reduce its carbon impact, it makes sense for Elon Musk to live in a small house that consumes less energy and occupies less space than a typical house. These tiny houses are proof of bad weather and can withstand snowfall in 90% of North America. The Boxbowl house can be adapted to the remaining 10%. According to the magazine Futurism, the mansion was sold for $30 million. Instead of having numerous houses or a $500 million yacht, Elon Musk, Boxer Balakasita, is a great option to embrace a sustainable life. And Elon Musk's children, do they live with him at home? Elon Musk supposedly lives with his partner Grimes and his 1-year-old son XA12 at Boxer Balakasita. Not to mention that he and his first wife, Justin Wilson, share the custody of their 5 children, twins born in 2004 and triplets born in 2006. What is difficult is to imagine Casita accommodating 8 people when the children come to visit the father. If he still rents this prefabricated house or bought a new one, is still unknown. What matters is that this is the most friendly way of life for the environment and we are all in favor of it. Let's know what your thoughts are in the comments section below.